Ciumia igiri thutha wa igithia Sacco-ini ya Ekeza gucemania mwena wa Kasarani na kuinuka mathii thithi matari na wiki, makaya mauru ni makinyeire Minista ya ugitiri kuria Minista Fred Matiang'i ameruhirie mwihoko thutha wa gwatha munene wa borithi Joseph Boinett gwika mituki kung'ethanira na atongoria a Sacco iyo.
It is true. There is nothing to hide. We are hot on the trail of the officials of Ekeza and the others. And we will have no mercy. Inspector General, tumekubaliana. We go after these people, take them before the law, and we will do what the law requires us to do. Because it's painful for people to save, the earnings for several years. And that time, someone is enjoying our hard-earned income. I mean, how would you feel?
Akiaria kigomano-ini kiria gikurehete amwe atongoria Sacco-ini ya borithi, Matiangi augite thirikari ndikurora mbeca cia igithia kianangwo ni turia nime kuona gweka uguo ni gucokia bururi na thutha.
We will not sit back. We will go after those who commit crimes, especially who misuse resources, hard-earned resources and savings of others. And we will bring them to justice, because that is something we have to do.
Makiri igithia ni matete mbeca cia na njira iri na kiriga Sacco-ini ya Ekeza. Matiangi akiuga ria maragumia mbeca cia igithia matiri na kamwe ka guthie na mbere gutavania ciko icio cia wiki na bururi-ini.
Let us remove those people from our midst, because there are people who should not associate with us. There are some thieves you might even forgive as you go along, but the others who not only steal from you, they also pain you. The ones who steal your savings are a category of that kind of thief, because they are stealing your life, your working life, your sweat, your everything, as it were.
Matiangi na munene wa borithi Joseph Boinett ni matugiritie Sacco ya borithi ni utongoria mwega na guthie na mbere na gukuria ruhonge rwa borithi bururi-ini.
We in the police not only discharge our constitutional responsibilities, but we are also savers. We save and we invest.
Oho, Matiangi ni oritie andu metikira kuigithia na Sacco niguo mahote kwiyaka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.